Lisa and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make a lentil nut loaf, which is a great meatless main for those who are trying to move more towards a plant-based diet. Stay tuned. So I don't know about you, but I don't have a powerful blender. So what I do is I blend each ingredient by itself and then I mix them together in a big bowl. So you make lentils a little bit like you make rice. So for each cup of lentils, there's 2 cups of water. So after you've rinsed the lentils off, you put them into the water and over high heat, allow them to boil, and then you turn it down to simmer for about 20 minutes. So if you want to make this into a vegan meal, what you can do is take a couple of tablespoons of chia seeds and add water, and when you do that you kind of get this consistency that's similar to eggs. So now that I've blended or pureed the lentils, I'm just going to mix all the wet ingredients in the blender, and then I'm going to mix the wet ingredients into the lentils. So now you have a big bowl of lentil mixture that has all the ingredients that we used, and you're just gonna put it into a pan and bake it for about 45 minutes to an hour at about 300, 350